So I got me a PR package from, let me open it up. So it says, made with love, Chioma, CEO. Okay. I got a little card that says, the Lord your God will bless you in all the work of your hands, and your joy will be complete. Deuteronomy 16:15. Oh, and this is like a little scratch off thing. I think it's a scratch off thing. I'm not too sure, but let's see. I don't know. I'm not gonna do that because I don't think so. And then I got another card, but they both have it, so I think I'm supposed to scratch it off. Yeah. So let's see. I don't think I'm supposed to scratch it off, y'all. Anyways, this one says, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. Numbers 6:24-25. When you guys shopping for this company, you guys can use my code SPICETV. And yeah. So I got a little note again. Cute. So we all got like personalized boxes. My box says, hi there. Dear UKK Ambassador, UKK would love to thank you for being a key part in our line design. Our line release. Here's a special package customized for you personally. It's called Lost at Sea. Basically, Lost at Sea is inspired by God's best creations, the ocean, the sand, the life as a whole. Definitely, if you could check out the page, you're going to see more information about this collection. So, first I'm not too sure, but okay. I don't know if this is a bracelet or an anklet, but we'll see. I think this is a waist bead, but I don't know whose waist this is fitting around. Maybe it's a necklace.
My God.
Honestly, I don't know, but we'll see. I got
Just put it in front.
lip gloss. Yeah, just put it on. I got a lip gloss. This I would do with a black liner. It's giving like a little coffee look, you know? And I have soap. Everything it'll be in the comments or in the description. I'm not too sure what it smells like, but these are the things that I received. This smells really good. And this lip gloss, I would do a darker, yeah. But UKK Ambassador, anything that you need, you can use my discount, SPICETV, SPICEEETV, for money off. I know y'all like free stuff, so yeah. Okay. Lost at Sea. Yeah.